You don't see this often. Major flooding possible in the desert, and Gabrielle looks pathetic and is struggling. Let's use this to check out the most interesting weather in 2 minutes or less. It's Thursday, September 18th. I've heard about a flood watch up for Southern California and Southwest New Mexico. This is moisture streaming northward from what once was Tropical Storm Mario. Downpours from thunderstorms are the biggest threat. The National Weather Service says their confidence is low, but major flooding is possible. So then let's look at radar. This is radar out of San Diego. Looks like it's wet in Los Angeles early this morning. And to watch thunderstorms, I can display recent lightning strikes. There doesn't appear to be too many of those. On to Gabrielle. She is struggling against wind shear and dry air. I mean, look at this. I have the impression if they hadn't identified this as a tropical storm yesterday, they would not objectively label her with 50-mile-an-hour winds this morning. Forecast to continue to struggle short term, may strengthen to a hurricane, but not until next week. But confidence is low because the water is so warm near the peak of hurricane season here, so we'll check in every day. It's too interesting not to look. And I can hit a button and get the extremes across the country from the past couple of hours. All the action appears to be in the west. The highest and lowest temperature and strongest wind gust from the past 2 hours at about 2,300 airport stations across the country. I made this. I call it the Weather Observer. It makes it more fun to keep track of interesting weather. If that's your hobby, I can make one for you too. While many of us have moved on from the height of summer, it's going to be hot around the boot heel of Missouri today. 97 for Jonesboro, Arkansas. So I'm going to watch Jonesboro right up here. Is the weather interesting where you are today? Well, let me know. TheWeatherObserver.com.